Hello student, today we are going to learn the data structure stack and the queue. So what is a stack data structure? It is a data structure in which we can store the data in linear manner. Again, queue data structure. It is a data structure in which we can store the data in linear manner. Now, when we consider the stack, see the example, this is the box in which we insert the first data item, then second, then third and then fourth data item. Now, when we have to insert the data in a stack, it will store and one above another. That is the first inserted data will be at the bottom, then second above first, third and the fourth line. Now this is the last data. Now when we want to delete or take the data from the stack, then whatever the data inserted at the last should come first. Then after that this second last, like that. So whatever the data inserted last is come first, last in first out. So stack follow the that structure last in first out. Now whatever the insertion and deletion, that is a push and pop, both two stacks operation, it takes place from the one end, that is the top end, only one end. Okay, now we consider the queue. So what is a queue data structure? As the name suggests, queue, when we stand in a line to purchase in the ticket. So who is the person at the first? He takes the ticket and get out from the that particular queue. Then who is the second person? He will come front. He takes the ticket, come. Then whatever the person added, they are added at the next end. Okay. So when we consider the queue data structure, again it is a linear data structure, but it consists of the two end. That is the front end and the rear end. So what is the difference between the front end and the rear end? When the first person, that is the deletion of the data, takes place from the front end and addition of the data it takes place at the rear end. Consider this example. This is the person standing in a line at the first location. When he takes the ticket, he come out. That is first data is deleted. Then who is standing at the second location, he becomes the front in a queue. Okay. When he takes the ticket, he deleted and the next person come to the front. So this is the deletion of the data. Now addition of the data. When there is this fourth person is at the last. Now one more person comes here. That is the fifth person. Now when the fifth person is come, then rear end is transferred from fourth to the fifth location. That is addition of the data in queue is takes place at the rear end. Okay. So two ends are there in the queue for two different operations. Deletion takes place from the front end and addition takes place from the rear end. Okay. So when who is the person is at the first location, it's deleted from queue at the first. So these queue follow the operation, that is the first in first out. Whatever the data inserted in a queue first will be deleted first. So this is the queue data structure. Then what is the difference between the stack and the queue? First similarity is that both are the linear data structure. But when we consider the stack, stack is the data structure in which it follows the LIFO, that is the last in first out. But when we consider the queue, it follows the structure first in first out. Now when we consider the stack data structure, then in the stack data structure, it both operation, that is the push and pop, that is the insertion and deletion takes place from only one end, that is the top end. And when we consider the queue data structure, then deletion is takes place from the front end and addition is takes place at the rear end. That is the two different ends are there present in a queue. So these are the data structure which we can use to store the data, and depending on its characteristic, we can select that particular data structure as per user's requirement.